we're definitely eating and then going.
I am.
Because we're here.
Drove here 3 fucking hours.
Guys, we're here. 3 hours.
Look, the only shrub. I'm gonna call him Samson.
You and this death. What is up with you and death?
I just want to die right now. I live life on the wild side. I put milk and cereal together.
Whoa.
Oh shit.
No, you have to do half and half.
No, I drink that shit straight up. I do 2 shots a day.
There you go.
This isn't much of anything to really go down.
Damn it, why did I wear white? Oh, hot. I got one more last fill.
Alright, fuck it. We're here.
Good at peer pressure on it.
I never want to see you ever again. I just joking.
We're going to.
I actually don't know. Oh, damn. Good. You go all the way up there, it's nice. Just it gets really steep.
Hey, is this where we started?
This is where we started, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, dude.
This is home base mound.
Mound. It's not really a mound.
We did make it all the way up there.
Yeah, we did. Made it all the way up there. Oh, that was far. Hi. No, I'm joking. Yeah, you're gonna need them up there. Yeah. Keep your mouth closed.
Yeah, at least you're eating something.
Well,
It's fine.
food is food.
Oh, look at that little professional right there. Shit. I gotta get this.
There you go. Killing it.
I'm really jealous right now.
Oh, barrel roll.
I'm slightly upset with you guys right now.
Hey, it's okay. I fell too 4 times 2 seconds ago.
There you go.
Good job.
You did it. Hands up.
Have a good day.
There's no more hills and I'm kind of pissed.
Fuck.
How do we climb up this shit again? I blame you. I had nothing.
I think you already do it. I'm gonna hear it in the GoPro.
There might be a little hill right here.
Little baby hill.
Little baby hill.
Yeah.
Yeah. 6 o'clock.
Potatoes. Yeah. Food.
Bring it in. There were bad pictures.
I don't think we can type on this. Oh shit. Wait. And
Right here?
Yeah, this is the best thing we're gonna get.
We're not gonna get any slope.
I don't even think you can go down there. You could try.
I mean, this is a larger. I mean, I guess we can go down here.